The case of Immunities Act versus the Rome Statute at the Supreme Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein. This is the argument the court has to grapple with as it considers whether government breached the constitution when it failed to arrest Sudanese President Omar al-Bashir.
Government wants the court to overturn the High Court's ruling that it should have arrested the head of Sudan. The High Court had issued a warrant for al-Bashir's arrest when he was in the country for the AU summit last June.
Arguments lasted for 5 hours. Submissions came from 18 parties, including 12 from government, which is adamant the arrest warrant was not enforceable.
The same position we respectfully submit, that you have the Immunities Act, which legislates for the field, the Genocide Convention, Sudan's accession to it, does not have any consequence as regards the privilege which accrues to its sitting head of state for the requirements which I've already addressed of our own act. Not express, not in writing, not a waiver.
The South African Litigation Centre argued that the matter is moot. Al-Bashir is no longer in the country, and South Africa, as the first African country to sign the Rome Statute, has an obligation to uphold it.
A sitting head of state does not enjoy any immunity against surrender to the ICC. That's the answer to the question in the case.
However, government maintains if the High Court ruling goes unchallenged, it has far-reaching implications for the country.
President al-Bashir was in the country in his capacity as a delegate and as a sitting head of state, and it is unprecedented that you have a government being ordered to arrest a sitting foreign head of state.
Once the verdict is out, the ICC will want a full explanation from government as to why it did not arrest Omar al-Bashir. But it's not likely to end here. An ICC prosecutor has indicated in an interview with SABC that the matter is most likely to end up at the Constitutional Court. Bali Sibanyoni, SABC News, Bloemfontein.